Today's a celebration.
They can never stop us. Bangasi vale mageta rufara skelam key. Good luck.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard. Teenage pinga chami tambo. Itiba swenda bera chingo data swami shasho.
Racha Kilo feature Makazi na Remzi vari kule. Ndimuzi vokakera apa ndimuzi voitela zvine aungotadza zone. Ndimuzi hevone vomuvudza uri umia vana pedzi hey adaita mapungo adachinyara zvitu hadasara kuvonera zorai mani apa pedu tonga tingonanga zone ya ndikuva there some dope ass music ngasonda yorari some vibes ndikamba ndi music wala haya ndi music wala venda ndi music washu. So I'm just gonna give you some nice tunes musicherendera this guy vari homicide kana vane vamufuna vamubidza mutakalira vamubidza uri Ziggy Mavutela Ziggy man Mr. Mabu. So uneapa one thaidzo ndi uri autovana dzi network vakuvona so ukaafecta amanda. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna be giving you some dope music. Racha Kilo feature Makazi na Remzi. vachiri kule miyavana tichani toda mani eish havo kaka zvihuru apa vomuvudza vanenge madini vodzura madini vakorona zvenyu uri eish ni miyavana namnzatudabadzini miyavana but right now she got a bounce. Yeah, so on the day I want to track up the beautiful track, the beautiful house track of Vaka Golden Voice of feature Big Robs na Easy T vari murumba. Hapo zinori aba Jaivisa riba ronga zo zinori raba Jaivisa bone enda
Africa wangu Rikodamba mirumba batinga Africa wangu Ritamba mirumba batinga Africa Rikodamba mirumba batinga Africa Ritamba mirumba batinga Africa Africa weha Ritamba mirumba batinga Rikodamba mirumba batinga
rai matekela waposa ngangeni unondo hangwa ngawe so zvino vo vagoda wawana ndikakorori so zvino ya hey vari kuna vari mini urwa murumba vachina zvino ndikakorori wako china huko duba bus andenga dzina ndikadzwa ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndiwa mahungoni ubva khala mangoni ane vulandangovela backside ndichikolozora kadzila mulenje avara ndivadove ati kongotera zvatungunudza hapana vanotambira G Voice kana vari Golden Voice official Big Robs ana Easy T vari murumba zvino apa ndivavera navona hapa ndi ala vana navo lavane vachibhika vatobhika zvatovibva vatolipfa lems lichijena sema kleker aren't tu ser yo hey vadopa eish sema kleker hapa ubikwa thandanda hapa because of ibva hapo ari vachiko bore wango pesa ngazo mutambo vajena ngane ngenga ile ngochane ngange ka SBC lebu vabona zori kuikuti amini zwa mitambo na Ben 10 vado vathayimisa na ntumbu ngane nge vacheka ntumbu vado vacheka na Khomzero mara nne ndiri
Babele ntuze Kasaba ntuze Afufu ntuze Suhu ntuze Asina ntuze Afufu ntuze
Atina tuze, afufu tuze.
Oh, wamenyana. Sema klekera rintusere. Damn it. What a hell. This is one of those songs in a aunandava kana ngoro ya vua kana ni sidabatela zo yahula. Zidabatapanyeza man bona. He ndababuzona msuso ndorari. Renari na chipinga chopfi rini unidzwa mini. Ridova ronga matombo one dzingwara na misara sara. Ndiko jena midini na midana ni hote ndiko banyuluze na zugodi. Aunona tiswiki. Kala pano kala nda kala meni ne. Vasu diborende zuiti sahani. Zino tiri abarandere wa. Dibaronga Gene Corn featuring MSK and Fizzy. Vari ombaesa. Evan. Bon. Ay. Yo, ni Freddy Gola wa show no, ni Freddy Gola wa show Limpopo no, ni Freddy Gola wa show no, ni kamba Gene Corn. Wari ya duwandoro panga pungo. Okay, ati wako no understand. Kren kwete ya mine ngama jita pa yani. Utongari zikomba zizura zikwaba isambiru. Natia fisesa. Ngo kamzuna mwe mtu anepuka tundalo chezori. Why? Ushingare ya maduka na apa yani. Azura agorira. Ngo fudita le waratanga. Yeah, Gene Corn featuring MSK na Fizzy bari ombaisa. Hai. Usina na zwingwe. Dare nova mu abi featuring Output arienda. I decided.
ndotombudza ndomufuna tingadomuita chidera tingadomuchitera mbraundidoka kenepe ndotombudza ndomufuna tingadomuita chidera tingadomuchitera mbraundidoka kenepe ndotombudza ndomufuna tingadomuita chidera tingadomuchitera mbraundidoka kenepe dzipamwe tingadovakera ndomuita chidera cause zvote zvendaamba zvidomparera ndi josinavo mbali usiku atirari cause vafunesa munati fela dina manyisa please nisangombaisisa ati wena ndandustima baby ene ostima so asongointabari so wakozamo lift angeno achishdiborhan spend I never guess tired I love you the way you are but I'm a god girl nena musadzi yende purundi tanzi damn I gotta go and I know I go this order from a chick to sa chick cause the enangas do buya vua number one ati diburu do vila hana chitecheresa hit track a man bari girl ningasikone
Dodo mubuza do mufuna Dodo mubuza do mburaene Wongondi urindasi honest na ye En bunji aso zidombarera Walamparere no mubaisa Bunji aso tinga kun Walamparere no mudina girl But bunji aso tinga kun Dodo mubuza do mufuna Dodo mubuza do mburaene Wongondi urindasi honest na ye En bunji aso zidombarera Yo baby girl obana tia bajifuna Ene odimbuza ndine wende dajikuna Aujawe ya yoru Gawira na barumwa Somuya wewo false Wauna rine sabo una Kanino kakango funesa swatinga Do funesa muroi Swaisi yonda chirka Teno bachikondi Machomondi chirkam But lately it's my fruit is why you bono queen ambe Abuze auti yao Soti yawe ambe ifuza Kogidi merod up Setu diva swenda chuza Uri ufuna nendo Tembiru yawe ndino iruza Tetsa divi naraba Chindiba singa donkusa Wakara tele uri zoperas Don't miss a shot Kote yo kwera di Some penny for sure Mapungo ndodo divangera So kampe for sure It's okay to take it some pepper shot Dodo mubuza do mufuna Dodo mubuza do mburaene Wongondi urindasi honest na ye En bunji aso zidombarera Walamparere no mubaisa Bunji aso tinga kun Walamparere no mudina girl But bunji aso tinga kun Dodo mubuza do mufuna Dodo mubuza do mburaene Wongondi urindasi honest na ye En bunji aso zidombarera Walamparere no mubaisa Bunji aso tinga kun Walamparere no mudina girl But bunji aso tinga kun
ana chiri chino chatakazofana musi munhu akotoadmit reyane ai hezvi zvidombarera hezvi wai yeah man Nova Moabi, where are you my nigga? Come back to this game vetu. You had some dope classic tracks then I got the visa but then hey somehow nigga decided to put the mic down after kasekazwimwe. I wish this guy angabuya music ini ardovarne music wa kudingorari apona ndobatamela Nova Moabi official output I deceived her. Yeah, I deceived it. Yes. Okay, so ikadiva Sunday ndichikora nepone vakwamburi vakorabhera hone navana vakoshera fora pasi navana kolidza dzingoma nakuita mini chimuna noita nepone tuse uri korona ipere nepone navanione nidzure nidhitogomere ngora mapungo sokozula angadoshuma Holy Beast bo mwana phase wa 2 fab bare Holy Beast like the music in Musa about download and pala www.renderfiles.co.za.
Nah man, I'm angry. I whoop your head, boy, if you tell me. Cause I'm mad, I'm angry. Nigga, are you stupid? Nigga, are you stupid? Hung by what you wanna do? Nigga, are you stupid? Nigga, are you stupid? Nah man, I'm angry. Nigga, la no lot of you pass along hidden. treke donipisa ungaheleni nitokonga nowanala samashireni behind the bars hey vest ungaseleni assassinate niggas John F Kennedy me pandamika huna remedy nini jena ndani siya nina damage hamaki ponshani unganerezi nitazura nikompa unga melody hey vest ndi madomo unga genesi nafaragani ndi shuta na the enemy abana skili bakotoda ability I don't wanna talk no more nah man I'm angry I whoop your head boy if you talk me cause I'm mad I'm angry nigga you stupid nigga you stupid humble what you wanna do nigga you stupid nigga you stupid nah man I'm angry nigga koya la takani ndina 9 lives gidi manta hanu unga switch nice donga Eminem chimbira 8 miles boxing vote pasi holy field me nigga ndele holy beast bombre pando wa foli sasa washing light vote banga Royce bana 5'9 vote bana kanje banga 2J shut up kuni doma dark tape kokotera pamali nongala AB beat up on my chest unga gorilla don't see a sahibi chini gorilla I don't wanna talk no more nah man I'm angry I whoop your head boy if you talk me cause I'm mad I'm angry nigga you stupid humble what you wanna do nigga you stupid nah man I'm angry don't wanna talk no more nah man I'm angry I whoop your head boy if you talk me cause I'm mad I'm angry nigga you stupid humble what you wanna do nigga you stupid nah man I'm angry
This game is changing. Freestyle, new faces, new flows, new faces. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. When I look at the squad and the squad and the squad and the squad, this game is changing. Freestyle, new faces, new flows, new faces. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
This game is changed, man. This one is for the non-believers. Look, I came in the game with a couple of rhymes, hit some honeys with a couple of lies. Then I bounce back, speeding and killing these verses. I swear I ain't telling no lie. We out here to raise the bar, then we get some more. 10 every turkey team. Shout out my friend that we finally gon' get it. I headed through the grapevine. These rappers don't even write their own material. Look, who run in the city's the play, man. Not know you rap, but don't scare me now. Look, we sending shots to the head. Body bags just in case. My money on money, that's what it's about. I got you choking like you, Papa Dog. They know that we win in the mad. See, feel that's what you crying about. I told them I mean it to win it. If they don't believe me, in the booth I'm making a killing. But they sleeping on me in a biggie. Fire get smoke, bro. High grade, no cocoa. In the streets, get your dodo. No snitch, no popo. We been driving the low. In my zone, going loco. We been driving the low. In my zone, going loco.
This game is changing. Freestyle, new faces, new flows, new faces. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. When I look at the squad and the squad and the squad and the squad, this game is changing. Freestyle, new faces, new flows, new faces. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I see shit, dang, I see shit. See double like I'm peace with. Want no trouble, only peace, yeah. Smoked up with the feast, yeah. Spend the weekends at the car house. Only reasons that I crop out. Make got the dogs now. Now they trying to hold up down. The come up is real. I'm killing this cause I like the thrill. Diagnosed with sick bars when I'm writing this ill. Mine's the best behind the wheel. On my grind, we go for the kill. Near in the shit, then no follow me. Near in the shit, then no follow me. Feel like a bit up to Africa. Tell my partner that we're going big. And the haters, man, they seen this. Leave them dead, they ain't say shit. Take a grave, that's a burying. Others with rappers up in this game. Others came sand, others lames. They should be sticking up in the lanes. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Hero pose like I'm Superman. And your girl be feeling on me, cause he knows that I'm Superman. And she wanna see it. Call up an Uberman. Comes to my crib, I hit it, man, that's Superman. This game is changing. Please have new faces, new flows, new faces. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. When I look at the squad, this game is changing. Reese have new faces, new flows, new phrases. Oh my God, I feel amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yeah, okay. So we finally get hold of Homicide. I need to bounce to line. So in the next few minutes, Homicide when I'm so yeah, I'm about to get him on the line. So thank you very much for watching. 082693712 Don't forget to revive on a show Sunday Life Express. Yeah, I think I put it right. Sunday Life Express. The way life pages are Rita D na YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Yeah. So make sure you check out Nungabo DJ Boyi. You have your Cairo, you'll have your Rascanley, yeah, just to name the few. So please make sure that you check it out. You make sure that you subscribe to those channels. Make sure you check out Ntumbu on YouTube. Ntumbu Mafrani radio, online, broadcast, whatever you can type, but make sure that you subscribe to that channel also. Make sure you subscribe to SABC Libu channel also on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to Doka Fara on YouTube also. So, Chivenda Music and Entertainment. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and we're looking forward to give you Coroni very soon. Very soon. Just expect. If I get those mix it over, expect the revamped Coroni. Ne Amara here. Neni Funa Zone. Ay, yeah.